In last video, we seen what is the meaning of a partnership deed. Partnership deed means a written agreement which signed by all the partners in which recorded all the terms and condition of a partnership firm. Sometimes these partnership firms are pre-decided and we have to record all information about the partnership firms. For example, there are the A, B and C are the three partners. A invested 1 lakh, B invested 50,000 and C invested 50,000. On that time, A demanded more profit because he invested more money means a 1 lakh. So this all condition and terms, this all partner have to record in the partnership deed, means which partner how much profit and which partner have to pay the interest. This all information we have to record first of a business when they started. Sometimes what happen, because of illiteracy and uneducated partners, they are not recorded or not prepared the partnership deed. On that time, what rules and what treatment should be followed. So in your for exam, in a practical oriented section, one question can be asked, what how do you treat the following in the absence of partnership deed? Means when the partnership deed is not prepared, that time which terms or treatments we have to follow in related to profit sharing ratio, interest on capital, interest on drawing, interest on advances and partner salary and remuneration. These five questions for the 5 marks in a practical oriented question they can ask. So, if a partnership deed is not a present or absent, that time profit sharing ratio should be considered equal. Means all the partners should get a equal profit, 1:1:1. Second, interest on capital. All the partners are invested in capital in the business. So there is a suppose there is a no partnership deed or the absence of partnership deed, that time there is a no allowed or not allowed to give the interest any of the partners. Third one, interest on drawing. Interest on drawing means some of the amount partner withdraw from his capital amount. So in if partnership deed is absent, that time it consider a no interest on a drawing or not allowed. D, interest on advances from partners. Interest on advances of partners also we have to give 6% per annum. This is compulsory 6% per annum. Next, D, partner salary and remuneration. Means if there is a absent, there is not recorded any form of information in a partnership deed or not a prepared partnership deed, that time there is no rule to give remuneration or otherwise salary to any of the partners. So these five questions for the practical oriented can be asked in your exam for the 5 marks.